Welcome to the video on course selection and timetable planning for Bachelor of Social Work, BSW students. The following is a list of suggested first-year courses for a student in social work. You will notice your first-year required courses, Social Work 1007 and Social Welfare 1006, some breadth requirements, and electives. The single asterisk is used to explain that ACAD 1601, a recommended course, can be used to satisfy part of your humanities requirement. The double asterisk provides some suggestions from the Department of Social Work on which electives to take. Of those courses listed, Philosophy 1117 and Religion and Cultures 1206 can be used towards the humanities. More information and a list of what courses count towards the humanities and science breadths can be found on the next slide. You can also find this information at www.nipissingU.ca/NSO under the Course Selection tab, as seen within the Academic Advising's intro video in the NSO module. Courses within these course codes can be counted towards your breadth requirements for your degree. Now that you know where to find a list of what to take, let's focus a bit on actually building your timetable. First, you will want to print off a blank timetable so you can start to pencil in your options and ensure you aren't trying to register for two courses that are taking place at the same time. You can find a timetable on the NSO website. Start off by clicking on the Course Selection tab, the Direct from High School tab, and then the Timetable Planner link. You'll see one side of the timetable is for the fall term. Be careful to only add fall courses to this side of the page. Your winter courses will go on the back side where you see the WI term. Some courses run for the full year. They're listed as FW on WebAdvisor. You will write those courses on both the fall and on the winter sides of the timetable. Pay careful attention to which side of the sheet you're writing your courses on, as it is easy to accidentally write something on the wrong side and get yourself mixed up. There will be another video assisting you with WebAdvisor, but let's take a quick look so you know how to tell if a course is available in the fall or the winter. Here's a quick screenshot of the math offerings in WebAdvisor, just to give you an example of how to tell which semester a course is being offered in. As you can see, course codes are followed by two letters indicating what term the course will be offered in. FA, meaning the course runs from September to December, WI, meaning the course runs from January to April, and FW, meaning the course runs from September to April, or all school year. Next, let's take a look at social work so we can pencil in your first course together. Don't worry if you aren't sure how to get here. You can review the Registrar's Office's video for assistance navigating WebAdvisor. You'll see from the screenshot that Social Work 1007 is offered in both semesters, with the fall offering via distance learning, and the winter offering currently on campus. If you were to choose the fall offering, it is suggested that you do still write the course code and section number down on the bottom of your page so that you don't forget come registration time, because there is no official class meeting times. If you choose the winter offering, we can see that it takes place Tuesday evenings from 6 to 9 p.m. So we could write it down onto our winter timetable like this. On-campus courses are at least 3 hours per week. If you notice you've written down less than 3 hours for any on-campus winter course, be sure to check WebAdvisor to see what you may have missed. Let's look at another course on your list, ACAD 1601, or Academic Writing. You'll see this course is offered several times in both the fall and in the winter. Because you have so many options for this course, with both distance learning in the fall and distance and on-campus learning in the winter, you'll want to make this one of the last ones that you pencil into your plans. Don't forget to take it, but start considering what else you should decide on before you pick where ACAD fits best. Students planning on a full course load will be registering for 5 courses in the fall and 5 courses in the winter. This is an example of how the list of courses we reviewed at the beginning of this presentation might be split over 2 semesters. As we saw, Social Welfare 1006 and Social Work 1007 are offered in both semesters, so you can choose where you would like to take them. The same can be said for ACAD 1601. The lists of humanities and science options were found earlier in this presentation, or can be found under the Course Selection tab of the NSO website. Electives are other courses you plan to take based on your interests, academic goals, and course availability. You might decide to use your electives to complete a minor. Different minor options at Nipissing are as follows. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out the Academic Advising website for a video about minors and certificates. You can also find more information on the NSO website under the Course Selection tab. Take some time now to review the videos by the Registrar's Office to better assist you in understanding how to navigate WebAdvisor and the registration process. With this information, you should be able to set yourself up a timetable for this year. Once you've planned all of your courses for the year, you can log on to WebAdvisor and register. Know that building a timetable and choosing courses can be a long process. Read different course descriptions, consider your different options, and understand that you will have the opportunity to make changes to your course selections, even after courses have started in the fall. Once you've registered for your courses, you can email us at advising@nipissingU.ca if you'd like someone to review your selections. If you're having more difficulty and want to sign on to a group academic advising chat, please check out the NSO website for information and instructions on how to do that. Thanks for listening, and good luck as you start to plan your first year.